Hey there! Let's talk about watermarking your videos. A quick way to protect your content, enforce copyright and brand identity. And guess what? You can do this in just a few steps using FastPix APIs. Before we dive in, first make sure you've got 3 things. 1. Access to the FastPix API with the right permissions. 2. The video URL you want to watermark. 3. A watermark image URL, your logo or graphic, preferably with a transparent background. Now, in step 2, let's structure the request to upload a new video using a public URL. Get the access token ID and secret key from your dashboard and put in the request for basic authentication. Next step is simple. In your payload, define your video URL as the input and your watermark image as the overlay. You can customize placement with alignment settings like top left or center, and adjust the size, margin, and opacity to match your branding. 4th step, once your payload is ready, fire off a post request to FastPix and we will handle the rest, processing your video with the watermark seamlessly. And that's it. Once it's done, head back to your media dashboard and you'll have your watermarked video ready to stream or share. Playback the video and you will see the watermark is added to your video exactly as per your input settings. That was all about adding watermarks while uploading new video. Now let's see how you can add watermark to one of your existing videos. From your media dashboard, get your media ID for the already uploaded video. You can even get this media ID using our APIs. In the next step, create a similar post request. In the input configuration, instead of using a video URL, use the existing media ID in this exact format and send out the post request to the FastPix API. Now, head back to your media dashboard and you would see a new media is created. Once the media status shows ready, you can instantly start the video playback and see the watermark added to your existing video. So, ready to secure your content? Start watermarking with FastPix today.